When buying a computer, there are several important factors to consider to ensure that the device meets your needs and preferences. Here are some things to keep in mind. Identify the primary purpose of the computer. Are you buying it for gaming, productivity, content creation, or general use? Determine your budget and try to stick to it. This will help narrow down your options and prevent overspending. Decide whether you want a computer running Windows, Mac OS, or Linux based on your preferences and software requirements. Choose the form factor that suits your needs. Desktop, laptop, all-in-one, or a compact form like a mini PC. Consider the processor's speed, number of cores, and generation. This is crucial for overall system performance. Ensure that the computer has sufficient RAM for your intended use. For most users, 8 GB to 16 GB is a good range. Decide between traditional HDDs, hard disk drives, or faster SSDs, solid-state drives. SSDs are recommended for faster performance. If you're into gaming or graphic-intensive tasks, consider a dedicated GPU. For general use, integrated graphics may suffice. Choose a display size and resolution that suits your preferences. Consider factors like panel type, IPS, Tennessee, OLED, brightness, and color accuracy. Check the number and type of ports available, including USB, HDMI, Thunderbolt, and audio jacks, to ensure compatibility with your peripherals. If you're buying a laptop, consider the battery life, especially if you plan to use it on the go. Assess the build quality, materials used, and overall design. A well-built computer is likely to be more durable. Check if the computer allows for easy upgrades in terms of RAM, storage, or other components. Consider the reputation of the brand and read reviews from other users to get an idea of the reliability and customer support. Review the warranty terms and the level of customer support provided by the manufacturer. If possible, find information on how noisy the system is and how well it manages heat, especially for gaming laptops and desktops. Consider security features like biometric authentication, built-in webcam covers, and the presence of a trusted platform module, TPM, for enhanced security. Anticipate your future needs and consider whether the computer can meet those requirements as well. By carefully evaluating these factors, you can make an informed decision when purchasing a computer that aligns with your specific requirements and preferences.